Clients don't read your bio. They look at your photo. Am I comfortable with that person? And then they decide whether they book that person or not. So that happens under a second. 4 things for a headshot, and they all need to give the same message. Posing. Closed body gives the message, I'm not approachable. I have already decided what I want and what I want for you, and you're not gonna ask me, and that's it. Deal closed. What do I mean by closed body? Closed body is like that. I'm not saying this is wrong, because this could be the right pose for a different professional. Lighting. If you use shadows, I'm giving like this mysterious message, dramatic, emotional, and again, this is not wrong at all. Well, as I said, it could be a professional, beautiful photo, but for the right professional, for the right person. I had a musician who wanted a photo. For the music, I used the lighting that gives a beautiful shadow. Soft and even light. This means that the shadow is filled with light. If you want to take a headshot for yourself and using your phone and your message is that bright, high-spirited message, then go in front of the window. Expression. The real smile communicates with the eyes, with the heart, with the soul, with everything, with the clients. But you're probably asking now, so how to get that smile? To try to laugh, you'll see your real smile coming right after that. Show your emotions, because emotions don't lie, and they show in the photo, and the photo communicates to the client. Outfits. The first question I got to be asked before any headshot: what should I wear for my headshot? My answer would be, wear something that you feel comfortable in, something that you usually wear when you meet your clients, something you feel confident in. So think of the headshot as your first impression. It's your handshake with the clients. That's why how important is that to give a clear message in your headshot or in your branding photo. Alright, I want you to look at your headshot and tell me, is it giving any message or is it just unclear? Thanks for watching. See you next time. But until then, keep taking photos.